Hello world, welcome to Edupedia World. In this video, we will cover the topic of business applications. First of all, let's have a look what is a business. It is certainly a system or organization. The inputs to it are goods, services as well as money. The business transforms these inputs into outputs, which again consists of goods, services and money. The business can also be viewed as an enterprise whose major objective is to generate and maximize profit. To help businesses to achieve their task, we have business applications. Now, let's have a look at the definition of business application. It is any software or set of computer programs that are used by business users to perform various business functions. These business applications are used to increase productivity, to measure productivity, and to perform business functions accurately. Business applications can be categorized either by the functionality they perform from an enterprise perspective, or it can also be categorized based on how and where they run. So we can say that the business applications have two categories. Number one, application categorization based on the business functionality, and number two is the application categorization based on how and where they run. So the application categorization based on the business functionality. Number one is business to customer applications, or simply known as B2C. These are in general customer facing applications. Most of these are web or browser applications. It includes dynamic content based websites. Some of these applications can be client based applications that needs to be installed on the customer's computing devices, that is either laptop or a desktop, but all of them are extremely user friendly so that the customer or clients does not have to be computer professional at all to avail their uses and to make their systems efficient. Examples include ordering system, customer support system, websites providing support system, clients that gets installed on the customer devices. And then comes the applets, where applet is any small application that performs one specific task that runs within the scope of a larger program. Especially it is a utility program performing one or a few simple functions. For example, there is a useful control applet which can be used to center the picture. Now comes business to business applications, or simply they are known as B2B. These applications are used between business partners like suppliers, resellers, etc. Traditionally, these applications are accessed using dedicated or reserved lines between business partners, and they also use internet with the security features such as virtual private networks. Examples include parts ordering and status system, bulk order submission web service, that is the systems or the functions which are particularly related between the business partners and have nothing to do with the customers or clients. Then comes the internal applications. As shown by the name, these applications are used within the organization, intranet, and are not exposed or available outside the enterprise. These specifically include web-based applications as well as desktop applications such as email or instant messaging within the organization. The examples include human resource systems, internal financial and enterprise resource planning systems, IT desktop support systems, and email clients. So the examples also are showing that these applications have nothing to do to a business professional or either a customer or client outside the organization. That is why these are within the organization and are internal applications, because they are related only to a certain enterprise. Now comes the application categorization based on how and where they run. First of all is the front end applications. These are the applications that interact with users through graphical user interfaces or friendly interfaces such as browsers, desktop clients, etc. Examples include order status checking system, email clients. So as these are the front end applications, so they are user friendly, very easy to learn and interact with, so that the users, either customer or client, does not have to be computer professional at all. These applications are there just to help them and make their work more efficient, more feasible. Then comes the background applications. These applications does not directly interact with the user, or you can say they have nothing to do with the user, and are typically background processes and jobs. Examples include background order validation job, nightly data synchronization scripts. So these examples are basically the database scripts which are running by the computer professional, database programmer, and maintain the entire data record. So these are the applications specifically for the professionals or database administrators to maintain the entire data record and run the system. So that's why they have nothing to do with the client or customer. Then comes the services based applications, or simply interfaces. They provide an integration point to other applications and systems. The most widely used standard is web service. The examples are customer data retrieval web service, and the most common one is Google web search application program interface. So it is always there to help the users, customers, clients, either they are computer professionals or not, to help and to make their work easy as well as efficient. Thank you for watching a video on Edupedia World.